Samsung is secretly working on their next flagship device, the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Shushing face, while we don't have all the juicy details yet, rumors are starting to circulate, and we can't help but get excited. Starstruck? With Samsung's track record of delivering cutting-edge updates, we know the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be a game-changer. As the rumors gain momentum, we can expect some major upgrades in artificial intelligence, thanks to Samsung's focus on Galaxy Eye features. Robot face. But that's not all. Samsung is determined to outdo Apple in the camera department, and we can expect some serious improvements in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From enhanced sensors to advanced software, Samsung is pulling out all the stops to make this device a photography powerhouse. Camera with flash. As we eagerly await the arrival of Samsung's next flagship device, let's dive into the latest rumors and speculations surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design and display. Thinking face. First up, the frame. Samsung's bold move to titanium in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to continue in the S25 version, offering a premium and durable build. The camera layout, with lenses slightly protruding in a vertical stack, has become a signature look for the Ultra series. We expect Samsung to stick with this winning design formula, but let's wait for those leaky CAD renders to confirm. Winking face. Now, let's talk display size. Rumors suggest the entry-level Galaxy S25 will get a size boost to 6.36 inches, while the S25 Ultra might reach a massive 6.9 inches. That's a significant upgrade from the S24 Ultra's 6.8 inches. Take this with a grain of salt for now, but we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store. Starstruck? Smartphone wars are heating up, and Samsung is pushing the limits of display brightness and camera capabilities. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already impressed us with its 2600 nits of peak brightness, surpassing its predecessor. Now, rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will take it to the next level. Exploding head. But that's not all. The camera upgrades are where things get really exciting. Camera with flash. A reliable leaker predicts a major upgrade to the wide-angle lens and a whopping 50-megapixel ultrawide lens. Plus, the telephoto lens might get variable capabilities, offering smoother zooms and potentially replacing the second telephoto lens. Magnifying glass tilted left. But wait, there's more. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering a significant performance boost. Early benchmarks are already impressive, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store.